Hello, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut. This morning I'm going to show you the difference between an SVG image and a regular image that you can upload to your computer. So let's say that we decide that we want to let's see. First, let's go here. Let's say we want this picture right here. This looks like it would come off pretty good in a drawing or to cut it out of vinyl. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to save, actually I don't want to save the link. I want to save the image, and I'm just going to put it in my desktop. Okay, so I'm going to save it there. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click upload and browse, and I'm going to go back to my desktop. I'm going to get him again. Let's see, there he is right there. Okay, so it's uploaded it. It was really fast. You get a choice here of, is it a simple design, a moderately complex design, or a complex? I don't know why, but I always choose complex. And let's go there. Now, this is what I call, and this is not an SVG file, first of all. This is what I call a dirty picture. It's not clean. We need to clean this picture up, and this is how we do it. There are three tools up here. This one will help us erase the white background. So you just have to click. Wasn't that easy? Yeah. So now everything that we don't want, if we want this solid black, and if we're not sure, we can preview here. That's how it's going to look like right now. But you just go through and you start clicking all these spots that you want not to have black in. See? Okay. So now you know how to do just an image that you pull off the computer. Also, you can erase this stuff down here, or you can crop this. Let's see, not that way. You can crop this like this so that you can get rid of that. Okay. Whoops, that didn't work. But anyway, or you can erase it. You can erase whatever you don't want to. See there. But this is what I call a dirty image, okay? So let's go back and let's pull up an SVG, okay? So here's an SVG, a coffee cup. Let's pull it up. We don't have to clean it. We already have the blue and white, or the black and white, the checkered background. That tells me that has an invisible background. I don't have anything that I need to clean up in there. So I can save it, click on it, just click on it and put it in. And I know that this is a clean image and it's done. It's ready to go, okay? It's a whole lot too big, but it's ready to go. That's an SVG file. Versus the other one that you would have to clean all of it up and get it exactly how you want it. So I can do that on the files that I come up with that I really like, and I can't find an SVG file like it, but it takes a lot longer. And that's why the SVGs are perfect for Cricut Design Space. Okay, that's it. Now you know the difference between an SVG and a regular image file.